Welcome to the 2014 IMF annual meetings. I'm James King, and I'm joined today by the President of the Islamic Development Bank Group, Dr Ahmad Mohamed Ali. Dr. Ali, thank you for your time today. It's great to see you.
Welcome.
Dr. Ali, just recently, 10 minutes ago, you signed a new agreement with the World Bank Group. Maybe you can talk us through the details of the agreement and what it will bring to your activities.
First of all, we are really very thankful for our cooperation with the World Bank. As a matter of fact, the cooperation with the World Bank started from the very first early days of IDB in 1975. And we are open really for cooperation with all international institutions, all international organizations, and the donor countries. Any entity who are interested in development in any of our member countries, we will be very happy to cooperate with. This agreement also has very, very special importance because it connects to the education. And education is on the top priority of the Islamic Development Bank. Human development really is the top priority of IDB. So that's why this agreement has very special importance. Not only that, but it is there to competitiveness to our member countries. And this is one of the problems in our member countries about education and the role of education in development. So really, this is a very vital agreement, and we are confident that we are going to have a working program that it will be of great benefit to our member country.
Now, obviously, this year is the 40th anniversary year of the founding of the IDB, and it was even very busy this year and also last year with the rollout of the Infrastructure Fund number 2. Maybe you can talk us through what that will bring and how that will benefit member countries of the IDB.
Actually, you referred first to anniversary of 40th anniversary of IDB. Last June, we had a big celebration in Jeddah with all Board of Governors who are the Ministers of Finance and Economy in our 56 member countries. And it was on the anniversary really also of the meeting of the Board of Governors. So your question was about infrastructure number 2. First of all, we had IDB infrastructure number 1, which was very successful. We attracted a substantial amount of resources and have been invested in infrastructure projects in member countries in different areas. Some were in agriculture, in industry, in petrochemicals, so in power generation, so it was diversified. Because it was very successful, we just concluded our infrastructure number 2 with the same partners, and actually we have some additional partners as well, and we hope that we can attract more resources from our member countries and for donors and everybody who is interested in development in our member countries to enhance infrastructure investment. Because as you know, infrastructure is very important to our member countries. It needs a lot of resources. So IDB alone cannot really make a big difference. So attracting resources from different parts is very essential, inshallah, to enhance the development of infrastructure in our member countries.
Now, this year, the IDB is also going to tap the Sukuk markets with 2 Sukuk issuances in 2014. Maybe you can talk us through the rationale behind those transactions.
As you know, our member countries, we have, as a matter of fact, most of the least developed member countries are member of IDB. So we need a lot of resources. So IDB capital, of course, cannot meet even a small portion of the needs of our member countries. So IDB has to mobilize resources from the market. We are very happy that we have been enjoying AAA rating from all the 3 rating agencies in the last almost 11 years. So this will facilitate for IDB to go to the market to mobilize more resources needed for our member countries. So we are very happy that this year we had 2 times really went to the market. The last one, as you know, with $1.5 billion with very reasonable price. And we have diversified investors, not only from our area, the Middle East. There are investors from Far East, from Europe, and so forth.
Dr. Ali, thank you very much for your time.
You are very welcome, and we are very happy to have this chance with you, and you are welcome to visit us in IDB to know more about IDB.
Thank you very much. I will.
Thank you.